Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Thursday, June 26, 2008. InBev, which is attempting to buy Anheuser-Busch, wrote to the Budweiser maker for a third time to urge takeover talks, saying it paid lenders $50 million to get financing commitments for the offer. Bloomberg News reports the world's largest brewer told Anheuser CEO August Busch IV that the fees were paid to banks backing its $65 a share bid. CEO Carlos Brito reiterated that InBev wouldn't close any U.S. breweries and keep the combined company's headquarters in St. Louis. Anheuser-Busch has been reviewing InBev's offer for more than a week without giving a response. Staying with capital markets news, Barclays plans to raise $8.9 billion to bolster depleted capital and increase consumer lending in Asia and investment banking in the U.S., reports Bloomberg News. The company said in a statement it will sell as much as 1.58 billion shares to Japan's Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group and sovereign wealth funds in Singapore, China, and Qatar. CEO John Varley told reporters he will use half the proceeds to lift the bank's so-called core tier 1 capital ratio above its 5.25% target, and the rest for business opportunities, including possible acquisitions. And in more capital markets news, India's Idea Cellular has offered 32.4 billion rupees for control of Spice Communications, reports Bloomberg News. Idea agreed to buy a 41% stake from Spice Group for 77.30 rupees a share and make an open offer for a further 20% at a price that's 41% higher than the Spice's closed Tuesday. Idea will sell a 15% stake to Malaysia's TM International after the takeover. TM owns 39% of Spice. And in other capital markets news, the U.K.'s BG Group may need to increase its hostile $13.8 billion Australian dollar takeover bid for Australia's Origin Energy, reports Bloomberg News. BG yesterday took its $15.50 a share bid for Origin, Australia's biggest producer of gas from coal seams, direct to shareholders after the Sydney-based company rejected the offer. Origin rose above the offer price to a record on Tuesday as investors bet the bid may be increased to win shareholder support. BG wants its gas resources in eastern Australia, which may feed a proposed liquefied natural gas project supplying utilities in northern Asia. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Capital Markets channel online and read the latest developments.